Hello friends, let's start with the MCQs on logic gates. By understanding the MCQs of logic gates, you can practice more this kind of MCQs. So it will be help you to learn or understand the topic very nicely. So let's take very first MCQ. IC 7408 is which IC number? So of course we have already seen the truth table and the comparison table in lecture number 1 of all logic gates IC. So of course 7408 is an AND gate IC. It is an AND gate. You will be given a 4 option. Out of that you have to mark any one option. So 7408 is which IC number? It is AND gate IC. Correct. Second question. A Boolean expression for a dash gate is y equal to a into b. So Boolean expression is same as output equation. So y equal to a dot b. Dot is an AND operation. So this is nothing but an AND. So AND operation. So option is again option A, that is AND operation. Third, when all the input of AND gates are 0, then the output will be dash. So for AND gate we know the truth table. If both the inputs are high, then output is 1, otherwise output is 0. So here we have asked the case when all the input of AND gates are 0, so output will be 0, it will be 0. So we have different representation for 0, that is also called as a low state, so low is a out value. So these are some sample questions, MCQ kind of questions that you can answer it very simply by learning the truth table, symbol, IC number that we have already taken in lecture number 1 and lecture number 2. Yes. So let's cover next MCQ, that is 7432 is which IC number? Of course it is an OR gate IC number. It is an OR gate. The output of 2 input OR gate is 0 only when both the inputs are 0, because for OR gate, OR gate means plus symbol. Its output equation is given by plus symbol. So for 2 input OR gate, the output is 0 if both the inputs are 0. So 0 plus 0 is 0, otherwise the output is 1. Yes. An OR gate can be imagined as, yes. What is OR gate can be imagined as? So to imagine OR gate, what we have to read first the options. Switches connected in series, switches connected in parallel, MOS transistor connected in series, none of this. Yes. So which can be the option? Of course the option is correct answer is switches connected in parallel. How? Now how it is? So for that we have to understand the truth table first. So for OR gate, let's consider for a two input. So if I have a 2 input OR gate, that is A and B is my input and Y is output. So for OR gate, when both the inputs are 0, the output is 0. If any of the input is 1, at least any of the input is 1, then the output is 1. For 0 1, the output is 1. For 1 0, the output is 1. For 1 1 also, the output is 1. This is for the 2 input. Same can be used for the 3 input and we can derive the truth table. Yes. Now one thing you have observed, if any of the input is 1, then the output is 1. Yes. So for OR gate, output should be high, at least one input should be high. At least one input should be high. So for 0 1, 1 0 and 1 1 case, or at least one input is high. At least means minimum one input should be high. So if any one input is high, then the output is high. So for a parallel kind of combination, same thing can be worked. If 2 switches are connected in parallel, you can imagine if 2 switches are connected in parallel, let's say that switch 1 is acting like an A input and switch 2 is acting like a B input, and both are connected in parallel. So if any of this instead of switch, since switch also have a two state, that is off state and on state. So consider off state as 0 and on state as 1. So if I consider both the switch are off, so it means the case is 0 0. If both the case are off, then output will be 0. No current will pass from from input to output. So the output is 0. Consider the second case. For A input is 0 and B input is 1. It means switch 1 is off and switch 2 is on. So if switch 2 is on, so the current will pass from switch 2. and we get the output from switch 1. Yes, so that's why the output is 1. So for 0 1 the output is 1. Similarly for 1 0, switch 1 will be on and switch 2 will be off, then the output is again 1. Why the output is 1? Because they are connected in parallel. Since they are connected in parallel, so any of the switch is on, then the current will pass from input to output and will get the output. That's why we are getting. And if both the switch are on, then current will, of course the current will pass through both the switches. Of course it will divide, we don't have to go the theoretical manner of that, but the will get the output as high. Yes, so for 0 1 1 0 and 1 1 will get the output. So that's why they are called as a switches connected in parallel. On the similar manner, can you imagine for an AND gate? Can you solve it for the AND gate? If you solve it for the AND gate, then the correct answer is switches connected in series. Yes, the switches connected in series. Why it is switches connected in series for AND gate? Because for AND gate 1 1 is 1, otherwise it is 0. Yes, so yes, you can imagine for the same. Yes. Next question. In which of the following gate the output is 1 if and only if at least one input is 1? Just now I have discussed. If any of the input, at least one input is 1. So for 0 1 1 0 and 1 1, at least means minimum 1, maximum can be any number. Yes. So for a 2 input if we consider, so for 0 1 1 1 and 1 0, at least one input is 1, so output is 1. So such logic gate is called OR gate. The correct answer is OR gate. One of the following is a basic gate. Which are the basic gates? We have AND gate, OR gate and NOT gate. These three gates are called as a basic gates. So let's learn. XOR is not a basic gate, it is derived. OR gate is a basic gate. NAND is a universal. NOR is also universal. So OR gate is the correct answer. We have asked for the basic gate. So OR is a basic gate. 7404 is which IC number? Of course 7404 is NOT gate IC number. For a OR gate it is 7432, for a AND gate it is 7408, and for a NOR gate it is 7418. A NOT gate has one input and one output. It has one input and one output. Yes, NOT gate is an exception. It has one input and one output, whereas all other logic gates have minimum 2 input and one output only. The logical inversion or complement is represented by dash operator. Very silly questions. The logical inversion or complement, to represent an inversion operation or a complement. Complement means bar and inversion means dash. Yes, so to represent this we use a NOT gate. We use a NOT gate, NOT operator. Yes. 7400 is an IC number for, just now we have discussed, it is an IC number for NAND gate. Yes. For OR gate 7432, for AND gate 7408, for NOT gate 7404, and for NAND gate 7400. Identify the symbol. These are the symbols. Some of the symbols are given. I have taken every questions I have taken 1 or 2 varieties. Yes. So similar kind of question you may get in the paper also. You have to practice it. Yes. Identify the symbol. Which kind of symbol? Of course this is an AND gate, but you can also see the bubble. So this becomes a NAND gate. So this is a symbol for NAND gate. Yes. Yes. The NAND gate output will be low if 2 inputs are. Yes. So NAND gate means not plus AND. So whatever the truth table of AND, we have to invert it, we have to complement it, we have to negate it. When we negate it, then we will get the output of NAND gate. So for NAND gate, if both the inputs of are 1, then the output is 0, else the output is 1. So what here we have asked, for the NAND gate, output will be low if 2 inputs are 1. Yes, for 1 input the output is low, whereas for all other cases the output is 1. Yes. When all the input of NAND gates are 0, then the output is high. Just now we have discussed for 0 0 0 1 and 1 0, all these 3 cases the NAND output is high, whereas for 1 1 above case only we have seen, for 1 1 the output is 0. Yes, we will get the similar kind of questions. Yes. The input, next, the input to a logic gates are, yes, these are a similar kind of question. Read the question properly. Yes, the input to a logic gates are. Now here A is given a 4 bit. 1100 and B is given 1010. So this is also 4 bit. Two inputs are given, they are both are of 4 bit value. What will be the output if the logic gate is NAND gate? So A and B are the input to a logic gate, considering that logic gate as a NAND gate. If we consider this logic gate as a NAND gate, then what is an output? How to get the output of this? Up to now we are considering only 1 input. So now also we will try for the 1 input. We will select for the 1 input and we'll go for it. How to understand? So this is my LSB and this is my MSB. Again this is my LSB and this is my MSB. So you have to add 1 bit from LSB. Start from LSB. A NAND B. So it becomes 0 NAND 0. So what is you have to again consider the truth table of NAND gate. What is a truth table for NAND gate? If both the inputs are high, then the output is low. So for 1 case, the output is 0, whereas it is 1. So here it is 0 0. LSB is 0. LSB is 0. So for 0 0, the output is 1. So my LSB output is 1. Next 0 1. So again for 0 1, the output is 1. Yes, 1 0. Again for 1 0, the output is again 1. Next, last case, MSB bit you have to consider 1 1. For 1 1, we know the output is 0. So the correct answer we get is 0 1 1 1. So 0 1 1 1 is the correct answer. Same kind of numerical you can try for other gates like as AND gate, OR gate, XOR gate, NOR gate and XNOR gate. Same input, or you can change the bit of the inputs and you can try at your own place. Yes. So these are very simple kind of numerical where the input is given in the form of 4 bit. So you don't have to worry or don't have to panic. Just you have to add bit by bit. सिर्फ bit by bit add करना है आपको, NAND करना है उसमें. ठीक है, तो ये LSB है, ये भी LSB है, तो उसको NAND कीजिए. Yes, you have to use the truth table of NAND gate. Next, NOR gate is equivalent to an OR gate plus dash gate put together. So of course, what is NOR? It is not plus OR. So correct answer is not. NOR gate output will be high if 2 inputs are. Yes, again you have to use the truth table. So what is NOR gate? NOR gate truth table says if case is 0 0, then the output is 1, otherwise output is 0. So if the output will be high, so for output will be high, both the input should be 0 0. So again input are 2 bits, so you have to consider the table for 2 bit only. Yes. Dash gate output is logic 1 if and only if all its inputs are logic 0. Yes, please consider dash gates output is logic 1 if and only if. If and only if means you have to stick with that condition only. All the inputs are logic 0. So for 0 0, your output should be 1, whereas for all other cases your output should be 0. Yes. Yes. So for such kind of logic gate is called as a NOR gate. For a NOR gate, for 0 0, the output is 1, else the output is 0. Yes. So this you have to keep in mind. It is said that if and only if all the inputs are logic 0. If and only. Yes. If and only means for that condition only. Yes, for that singular condition. When one of the input of NOR gate is high and the other input is low, then the output will be. So when one of the input of NOR gate is high and the other input is low, so the case is 1 0, then the output will be. Yes, for a NOR gate, recently already we have understand for a NOR gate, when both the inputs are 0 0, the output is 1, otherwise the output is low. So for 1 0 it is also low, for 0 1 it is also low. So for both the case the output is low. Don't worry about this third state, that is tri-state. It is just for the confusion it is created. Which of the following are known as universal gate? Very simple. NAND and NOR are called as a universal gate. One of the following is an universal gate. In the list, in the option, you have to mark the universal gate. Which is universal gate? Of course, NAND and NOR. So NAND, we have to mark the option. Yes, NAND. Of course, if in the list you will find a NOR also. So which one you mark? Whichever appeared first. Whichever appeared first. The option which appeared first is the correct answer. Yes. The 7486 is an IC number for XOR gate. It is an XOR gate. See, it is an XOR. So here you can see the option. XOR is written like this also. It is written like this also. So depend on person to person. You can use any of the symbol. Yes. This next Boolean expression for dash gate is given. Boolean expression is given. It is a complement b plus ab complement. So this is an expression of XOR gate. This is an expression of XOR gate. Yes, XOR gate. What is an expression for XNOR gate? Boolean expression means output equation. So either you can write a XOR b, or you can write a complement b plus a b complement. This equation or output equation of XOR gate is in the form of basic gate. It is in the form of basic gate. Similarly, can we have the output equation for XNOR gate? It is a XOR b whole complement, and if we write in terms of basic gate, it is a into b plus a complement b complement. Yes. For the same input, output is 0 dash logic gates. Yes, very simple. For the same input, if the inputs are same, the output is 0. Means for 0, consider for a 2-bit only. Here bits are not given, so you have to consider for 2-bit. So for 0 0, the output is 0, and for 1 1, the output will also be 0. Which is the type of gate? Of course, it is an XOR gate, because for XOR gate truth table, we know for 0 1 and 1 0, the output is 1, otherwise it is 0. Following symbol is for which gate? Again, symbol is given. Again, this is XOR with bubble. It means XNOR gate. This is XNOR symbol. For the same input, output is 1. It is dash logic gates. Yes, similar kind of question. For the same input, output is 1. Output is 1. Same input means 0 0 and 1 1 case. For 0 0 and 1 1, consider a 2-bit only. Consider the simplicity. 0 0 and 1 1 case. For a 0 0 and 1 1 case, output is 1. Which is the type of gate? XNOR gate. It is an XNOR gate. For the different input, output is 0. It is this which type of gate? Of course, it is XNOR gate. For the same input, output is 1. For the different input, output is 0. It is XNOR gate. Correct. So these are the varieties of question. I hope so. By practicing this type of numerical, you learn or you relate the topic a little bit. I advise you to go through this logic gates MCQs more for understanding the topic better. Thank you. If you have more query, you can message me. Please like and share the video as possible as. Thank you.